You are welcome again. Let's solve this question on what simple interest. A loan of what 6,000 generate a simple interest of what 1,350 for 7.5 years. Find the rate per cent. So first of all, what is the formula for simple interest? Say I is equals to what? The P, which is the principal, the money I borrow or loan or invest, multiplied by R, which is the rate, the one they asked us to find, times our T all over what? 100. Now, what is our P? They say the P is the what? The loan is 6,000 naira. 6,000. That 6,000 will generate a simple interest of what? 1,350. That means our interest is 1,350 naira. For how many years? T is given for 7.5 years, and we can change it to what? Let's change it to decimal fraction by saying 2 times 7. 2 times 7 plus 1 all over 2. 2 times 7 will give us 14. 14 plus 1 will give us 15 divided by 2, and that is what? 7.5 years. Then what is our R? R is not given. Alright. So in place of I, since interest is given, I'm going to put what? 1,350 is equals to 6,000 because the principal is given 6,000 naira, right? Multiply by my R is not given. The time, which is the years, is given to be 7.5. I'll divide everything by what? 100. At this point, I'm going to cross multiply. That is, I'm going to say 1,350 times 100. 1,350 times 100 will give me 135,000. Then I'm going to multiply 6,000 by 7.5. 6,000 times 7.5, and this will give me 4, 5. Then I have 0, 0, 0. Alright, I'll divide both side by R. 0, 0, R, because I'm looking for the rate. I'll divide both side by this. Divide by this. I'll divide it by this. 4,500. So 135,000 divided by 45000. Then I have my answer to be what? 3. They say the in percent. That means the rate is what? 3%. It's 3% that generate the interest of 1,350 naira in 7.5 years. This is how to solve this question.